Welcome to the video demonstration of SWIM Dynamics 365, Service and Work Integrated Mobility. In the first scene, we will demonstrate how predictive alerts can be generated via the Watson IoT Hub and passed directly to SAP for further action. We have a connected pump in the field which has a vibration sensor. When the cognitive application detects a trend that could lead to a breakdown, a predictive alert is generated. Here we can see the detected vibration readings in the Watson IoT Hub. We can see the vibrations have spiked unusually. If we go into SAP, we can see that the predictive alert has generated a notification, capturing the specific asset, the location, and description of the alert. We will now focus on the role of Lily the scheduler. In the previous scene, a predictive alert has been generated from the IoT platform. The pump is still operational, but Lily would like to schedule an engineer to do some further investigations. Lily navigates to the notification in SAP and creates a service order from the service notification drop-down list. Here we can see the full service order with the address, location, specific asset and priority. Now we can save the service order in SAP using the pre-built integration solution for SWIM MSD. The work order is automatically passed across to the field service application in Microsoft Dynamics. Lily can see the unscheduled work order at the top of the list. She can either action this from the main click and drag scheduler or click into the work order itself. Here we can see the key information from the SAP work order has been replicated into Dynamics 365 through the integration component. As we scroll down the record, we can see the address and location of the work order displayed using Bing Maps integration. If we expand the service tasks area, we can see the step-by-step activities the field agent needs to carry out when they arrive. Now Lily can schedule this specific work order by clicking on the Schedule Assistant button. When she clicks Schedule Resources, the system searches for the nearest field technician with appropriate skills available to perform the work. Once the resource is scheduled, automated workflow processes will alert the technician via multiple configurable channels, in this case email and SMS. Now let's have a look at the schedule board. Here we have the ability to view all the resources' scheduled work orders. Hovering over the work order provides all the key information. You can also click and drag the scheduled work orders and schedule new ones. We also have the option to block move bookings to other days. Now we will focus on field engineer Frederick. In the previous scene, we assigned the work order to him based on his availability and skill set. We can see that he has received the mobile alert to advise of a new work order assignment. He now needs to open the field service mobile application so he can view the detailed information. He accesses the bookings area and the work order. Here he can see the arranged times and view the location on a map. If he clicks on the routing button, directions will be generated and he'll be able to navigate directly to the work order location. The information section displays the detailed work order information. We can also see the allocated service tasks to perform once Frederick reaches the site. Now that Frederick has reached the site, he can update the booking status to reflect this. Once Frederick locates the asset within the facility, he needs to confirm the asset using the barcode scanner. This will also confirm he has the correct skill set to carry out the work. If Frederick hasn't recently worked with this asset, he can access further information via the knowledge base. From this article, he can access the 3D schematic and explore the image from his device. He also has access to the manual from the article and further schematics should he need them. Frederick can now proceed to work through the allocated tasks from his mobile device, updating each and capturing notes as they are completed. Once the work order is completed, he can update the status to reflect this. He can also update the status of his next work order to let the scheduler know that he is en route. If we jump back to Lily's view of the schedule board, we can now see the updated statuses on the plan displaying that Frederick has now completed the allocated work order in green and is in transit to the next, reflected in purple.